I'm not here to promise any results. I'm here to show you how my refined strategy keeps working. Guys, session after session across all markets, I trade cryptos, futures, forex, binary options. The results most of the time are amazing. So that's why I tell you all the time to have a good strategy as simple as possible and stick to it, stick to the rules of that strategy. Yeah, so here in this trade, I'm using four indicators: MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. And yeah, with a good trading strategy, you may have results just like this. So, if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.